Today we'll be trolling with grenades.
Hello?
Red watch. Red watch.
Oh, get juke. Oh, watch it.
Shoot.
What do you have? You get two, buddy.
Thank you.
What's going on? Give me that pogo stick. The one rolled out stick war is nothing valuable, but
Oh my god, I'm
Nothing is valuable.
so
Nothing is valuable.
nothing should be valuable.
Oh my god.
Boing.
You know what? I knew that was gonna come.
Tough.
That's it.
Bro. That was probably the only time I was gonna have it. Who the hell got it? Who the hell thought they were cool and just bomb me?
No, red watch. No, I'm gonna do the same
Oh.
thing.
I bombed
about to
you.
do
I
this.
bombed you.
Bro, do you think you're funny or something?
Yeah, I do actually. Why?
Cause bro, I don't know what item it is.
kill
Bro,
this kid. Kill
him. People are with shields, bro.
Okay.
People are with shields. Where else?
Yo, I almost died. How?
You in your dreams, bro. Cause your aim.
Okay, that's it.
The controller.
Oh. Stop hitting me.
Let's just say you're cooked.
Please, I'm low. Please, I can't find my other controller. Please.
I'm sorry,
You
bro.
really just got monkey.
I'm sorry, bro.
He got monkeyed by a monkey.
I gotta get the new batons. Shield. What? What?
What that?
Yo, get on my polo.
I got the new shield.
I'm gonna kill you.
I don't care about anything else. I don't care anymore.
Yo, Jeff. I'm a warrior now. Jeff. You know what? Frog
I'm like,
that
hey,
was
what's
not
up?
in
Hello.
chat.
Very
Chill.
cool.
Don't worry, buddy.
Introduced us to my
Chill.
You're gonna die tonight. You're dying.
I don't honestly care if I died.
Please, you
Come on.
can.
I gotta do.
No, not good.
Fine. Here we go.
Yeah, kill it.
I got shield. I got shield. I got shield. Only
Yo,
about
who wants to fight me if you got red
police
watch?
shield. It's a brand new item. But damn,
Dumbass boy.
you a dumb.
I'm literally a bomb machine. I'm literally the bombest of all bombs.
Zion, I tried getting vengeance.
Oh crap.
Watch out behind you.
You killed him. You killed him.
Zion, I told you I was trying to get vengeance for you.
That wolf just
He's trying to step. You killed me. Chill. You killed me.
That's crazy.
protect yellow.
How much?
Yellow, I got you. Yellow, I got you.
Yo,
Red
red.
watch. Get him.
Kill black.
Oh, red watch. Oh, why are you trying to kill me?
Cause you're
Oh,
not.
gang up on me?
Red watch. Bro, why? Bro,
Oh, team up with you. Oh, team up with you. Come back.
that's it. That's it.
Oh, do your thing.
That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No, that's crazy. Yes. Oh my god! That's so
Bro,
What is
yo,
this
watch
for?
out. Yo, watch out. Get off my friend.
get the superhero skin.
Yo, I got you.
Don't hit me.
You know what?
Yo, what kind of war is this?
That's it.
I'm the bomber. I'm still a bomber. I just like to bomb stuff.
I'm going back.
Some grenades, please.
Red
Yo,
bomber.
Yellow.
Bomber. Bomber.
Bomber.
Can someone buy me a teleportation grenade, please?
Okay. So
Yo, yellow, we're teaming up. Yo, yellow, me and you teaming up. Yellow.
Yo,
Yo,
yo.
Yellow at the
Chill.
yellow at the suit. You want to team up?
Yo, y'all want to chill?
You want to team up?
You guys want to mew up? You guys want to riz up right now?
whoa!
Riz up in that skibbity war?
Yeah, I got two of these things.
Y'all want to go riz up in that skibbity
Can
war?
someone buy me a teleportation grenade, please?
Oh, now you
Bruh.
don't. Nice kill. Oh, I'll grab that. Oh, no, you don't, punk. Get off my man.
That's it.
Oh my god.
No. You know what? I'm doing what's for the best.
I'm not
Ooh,
leaving.
stick. Can someone buy me a stick?
I'm
Can someone
done.
buy me a stick?
Can someone buy me a teleportation grenade?
Yeah, I got you.
someone buy
I
me a
got
stick?
you.
You're getting me.
Afford a stick. I can't afford
Yeah, I
a
got you.
stick. No. Hey, guys.
Upgrade, man.
Thank you.
You're already a plumber, huh? But you're
I'm
not
like, hey,
killer.
what's up?
Who stole my?
Married to the money.
You're
Introduced
killed,
to
bro.
muscle. Stole my shit.
No.
Oh, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Oh, no, it's a guy from
I was like-
Fortnite. Yo, it's the guy from Fortnite.
That's it for today.
Can someone buy
Hope
me a
you all
teleportation grenade,
enjoyed.
please?
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
I'd rather kill people instead. Can you buy me a